wants an unboxing video? I have a shipment from Tineco. Now let's clarify, right? I have, a moment please. Let's run the credits. Let's go to my YouTube page. Somebody has to. Most viewed. Yeah, it's my third video underneath my Spider-Man videos. It's my third video, and that is the Tineco PURE ONE S15 Pro. Close to 250,000 views. Not only one of my more popular videos, it's also a source of information and review for the Tineco company. Now, I don't want to confuse the two. Matter of fact, let's look at it real quick. This is a floor washer. It wets the floor, it buffs the floor, it cleans the floor, and then dries it, right? Theoretically, it's also a vacuum. Let's not call it a vacuum. This is a floor washer. On. I can hit this button, I can get extra power, and I can also turn it into just suction. This right here, I love. It's how I keep my floors sparkling clean. But washing is not vacuuming. Let's go to my Tineco garage. Hanging on the wall in my Tineco garage, I actually have an original model of the PURE ONE. Well, this year's fancy dancy upgrade is here, and it's called the Tineco PURE ONE S15. So today, we're going to unbox the Tineco PURE ONE S15 vacuum. You ready? Okay, let's open it. Full disclosure, I have an amazing vacuum, but it might be a price point that's not within reach of many. Let's see what the PURE ONE S15 does, because this one is all about those who have a pet. A quick startup guide at the top of the box. Stick, extended stick, filter. This is called the crevice tool for corners, nooks, and other hard to reach places. This is called the 2-in-1 dusting brush. It switches between a wide and a soft brush by pressing the release button. The soft brush is most effective on hard furniture. Nozzle to brush, nozzle to brush. I'm smiling because it looks like somebody else's. I'm not gonna mention other brands, but it's who you wanna be compared with. This is the direct drive anti-tangle LED brush. This is very effective for cleaning fine dust on the carpet, hard floor without tangling caused by hairs that can block the roller. And the LED lights helps you clean in hard to see places. This is called the mini power brush. It's designed for vacuuming upholstered furniture, mattresses, etc. This also vacuums pet hair and removes ingrained dirt. The pet hair remover. This is good. This is new to this model, and that is a freestanding base. Manual? They're smart. Why? Is they hide a cleaning brush inside the manual, meaning you have to open up the manual. I don't know. There's a lot of knuckleheads like myself that won't even read that. Use this end in case any long hairs are caught in between. You use the end with the brush to clean the windows or the dustbin as required. Tineco PURE ONE S15 series. This is the guts, this is the machine. Whoa, okay. Okay, let's take this off. Ready? It's one of these. The Tineco products have an iLoop technology, and that means it recognizes where there's more dirt and adjusts accordingly. I would imagine that the entrance of my home has more dirt. connected to the carpet, right? But if you notice the difference in colors, from blue to purple to red, red is finding where most of the dirt, debris, and microparticles are, and it's giving it a little energy. And this is where my little doggy eats, so absolutely it's going to require a little more. I hope I don't accidentally spill some coffee grounds. In a short amount of time with a limited battery, in what I would have called a clean house, I picked this up. Oh! You wanna do something stupid? I'm doing this because I trust this vacuum. On this light carpet, I'm going to empty out the reserve. How about the fact that I would have told you this was a clean house? Just everything. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Dirt, 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 dirt. Remember the I Love Lucy episode where she was selling vacuum cleaners? She threw dirt in some woman's house and the woman didn't have electricity.
Honey, I can't imagine why it doesn't work.
I can. The electricity's turned off.
Well, I have 12% battery. I'm using the upholstery pet hair attachment. It's 100% back into the machine and then some. So here's the deal. In auto mode, this will run for 40 minutes. 40. The first time use, the charge is going to be between 3 to 4 hours. The illuminations will tell you what the battery runtime is. 20% and higher, green. 20% or lower, red. This is a freestanding high performance vacuum by Tineco. I clarified this in the other video, but let me make this clear again. When I built my home and when I invested in these floors, I knew I wanted a floor system, a floor washing machine that I could keep them bright white and out of sight. Well, I bought the Tineco. I got the Tineco and I bragged about it. But again, I purchased it. So they might send me this model for me to try out, but I was already a fan. The new and improved Tineco PURE ONE S15 vacuum. So is it fair to say that this is a vacuum that doesn't suck? Okay, I'll go with that.
I'm sorry I made such a mess on your floor. I don't know how you're going to clean it up.
I do.